Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at home. So, let's begin today's work. This is your English class. We were doing the chapter number 1, Don Quixote and the Windmills. Till now, we have done this chapter reading, then new words, word meaning, make sentences and question answers. We have understood all them and also written them neatly and properly in the notebooks. So today we will be writing the RTC, reference to context of this chapter. But before that, let me ask you, what is reference to context? रेफरेंस टू कॉन्टेक्स्ट होता है बच्चे जिसमें ऊपर आपको चैप्टर की कुछ लाइंस दी हुई होती हैं और उन लाइंस के बेस पे आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं, उसको हम कहते हैं रेफरेंस टू कॉन्टेक्स्ट. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड फर्स्ट रेफरेंस टू कॉन्टेक्स्ट एंड देन यू हैव टू राइट देम इन योर नोटबुक्स. सो एज आवर नोटबुक पैटर्न गोज, होमवर्क, देन डे, then date, then chapter number, the name of the chapter, and topic is R.T.C. RTC. So our first reference is, you will write REF1 dash in the margin. Whenever you are writing the reference, you always start with the inverted commas, and in that inverted commas you have to write the book chapter line that is your reference. So what is the first reference? If your owner will promise me this, I will gladly serve you. Okay, so now this is the line from the chapter. Do you remember this line? Let's see it first. So we can see this conversation between the Don Quixote and the Sancho Panza. These are the lines that is written and this is the reference. Now let's see what are the questions that are asked from this reference. So our first question is question A. Who said these words to whom? As we have seen in the picture now, Sancho Panza said these words to Don Quixote. So we will write that in the answer. Okay. So question B is, what was promised to the speaker? So what did Don Quixote has promised to Sancho Panza? Yes, very right, कि वो उसको किसी भी एक आइलैंड का गवर्नर बना देगा. So let's frame the answer B. Don Quixote promised to make Sancho Panza the governor of an island. Okay, so you got it how we frame the answers of the references. Let's move to the reference 2. So, what is the reference to? Look over there, my friend. Now, let's see where were these lines in the chapter, na? So, look over here. It is written over here. Look over there, my friend. किसकी तरफ वो इशारा कर रहा है? Windmills की तरफ. How many windmills were there? 30 windmills. But वो Don Quixote को क्या लगती थी? They were giants. You remember all these things from the chapter na? So let's look over the question answers. So what is the question 1? Who said these words to whom? We have just seen that Don Quixote said these words to Sancho Panza. So we can write in answer A, Don Quixote said these words to Sancho Panza. Question B is, what was the speaker pointing at? किसकी तरफ इशारा कर रहे थे वो? Windmills की तरफ ना? तो frame the answer. The speaker was pointing at windmills. Question C, what did the speaker think he was looking at? किसकी तरफ देख रहे थे वो? The speaker thought he was looking at giants. वो उसको giants लग रही थी ना, तो वही हमने आंसर में फ्रेम कर दिया. After that, when you have completed the RTC, what is your last step? to put the finishing line. You will put 2 finishing line. And what will you write in the end? Correction work. Very good. You remember now the pattern of writing the work? Very good.